So we are discussing condition type controls. So last class we discussed up to this structure. See, we use this first try to understand this, then I'll give the notes. We use group condition if client's requirement is to consider the total document value or some group of materials value. We use group condition if client's requirement is to see here. We create order. Here, first line item, X material, 2 lakhs. Second line item, Y material, 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. So total it is 10 lakhs. So the total document value is 10 lakhs. So my client's offer is if the total document value reaches to 10 lakhs, then only they want to offer some discount. So they want to offer discount 20,000. But when this discount should be given, if the total document value reaches to 10 lakhs, then only they want to offer this order. If you add the 4 items value, it comes to 10 lakhs. So if it reaches to 10 lakhs, then only they want to offer 20,000. Suppose if this is 2 lakhs, then the total document value is 9 lakhs. In that case, they don't want to offer see if this group materials value reaches to 10 lakhs. If this group of materials value reaches to 10 lakhs, suppose we create order. We create order. Now here, first line item 10 X material 4 lakhs. Second line item Y. I will say different materials. First line item E material 4 lakhs. Second M material 3 lakhs. Third, A material 2 lakhs. 3 lakhs. So here, in this case, for this scenario, you don't get offer, because here, this group of materials, we have some discount. So here, from this group, we have only one material. That value is 3 lakhs, so you don't get discount. Even though total is 10 lakhs, but this group of materials value is on requirement. One is, if the total document value reaches to 10 lakhs, then they want to offer discount, or if some group of materials, these two scenarios, we go for this concept, group condition concept. This one, group condition. So here, client wants to offer discount if so this is one discount. Now this discount is client wants to offer discount if some group of materials value reaches to we use group condition concept. We use group condition concept. We use group condition concept. If the client's requirement is if the client's requirement is to consider the total document value, to consider the total document value, or some group of materials value, to propose a discount, or some group of materials value to propose a discount. Take this example. First offer is total document value, and this is the order. second is value, and these are the group of materials. And if this, in order, if this group materials value reaches to 10 lakhs, then only they want to offer some discount. Take this example. Then we see the configurations. Is it over? Make a note. If you check group condition, take the notes. If you check group condition, if you check group, if you check group condition, then the group condition value will be distributed among then the group condition value will be distributed among all the line items will be distributed among all the line items in proportionate to the value of the line item. In proportionate to the value of the line item. In proportionate to the value of the line item. So the first line item, it will distribute 4,000 for 10 lakhs 20,000. 2 lakhs how much? Like that it will calculate. 2 lakhs it will be 4. Five lakhs into 20,000 by 10 lakhs. It is 10,000. Like take this also. I'll write it here. Out of 20,000, 6,000 here, 10,000, 4,000, like that. So we go for this concept. If client's requirement is to consider, you have to remember this, important for interviews. Group condition concept. We go for this if client's requirement is to consider the total document value or some group of materials value to propose a discount. Then only we go for this. And if you check group condition, the group condition value will be distributed among all the line items in proportionate to the value of the line item. So that is about group condition. Now take this, make a note. This field controls whether to go for total document value. This field controls whether to go for total document value or group of materials value. This field controls whether to go for total document value or group of materials value. So we can use group condition concept for two scenarios: total document value or group of materials value. And the control is here. The group condition routine will control whether to go for total document value or group of materials value. Group condition routine 1 means total document value. Group condition routine 3 means group condition routine 3 means we have material pricing group field. Can anyone tell me where we have this field?
Sir, in material master.
Where? Where in
Sales target 2.
Yes. We have this field material price. About this field, we discussed this field will help to group the materials for in material master sales or to view. We have this field in material master sales or to view. So one means if you want to consider total document value, then we have to mention 1. If you want to consider group of materials value, then mention 3. Next, take this field. Rounding difference comparison. Rounding difference comparison. Rounding difference comparison. See, sometimes while distributing the group condition amount among all the line items, it cannot distribute exactly. Here we have around figures, so it can able to distribute exactly. But in real time, values will be added to highest value item. So while distributing the group condition amount among all the line items, if there is any left out amount, that will be added to highest value item. If you have two highest value item, then it will assign to any one item, any one value that will be assigned. If you have two line items with same value, highest value, so it can assign to any one item. They are not a problem. But this field purpose is, if you check this, then while distributing the group condition amount among all the line items, if there is any left out amount, then that will be added to highest value item. That will be added to highest value item. Rare cases you'll have this scenario. Rare, very rare scenarios of this field. Rounding difference comparison. Make you know, if you check this, then while distributing the group condition amount, if you check this, then while distributing the group condition amount among all the line items, while distributing the group condition amount among all the line items, if there is any left out amount, if there is any left out amount, then that will be added to highest value item. That will be added to highest value item. That will be added to highest value item. So that is the purpose of this. Now make a note. Configuration for group condition. Configuration for group condition, bracket, total document value. Configuration for group condition, bracket, total document value. Client's requirement is example, client's requirement is if the total document value, client's requirement is if the total document value if the total document value reaches to 10 lakhs, if the total document value reaches to 10 lakhs, the voice clear?
Yes, sir.
So, Vaishnavi, check from your side. Okay. If the total document value reaches to 10 lakhs, then they want to offer 20,000 discount. Then they want to offer 20,000 discount. So we see the configuration. Make a note. First step, create condition table. Create condition table. Make a note. Create condition table with a combination of create condition table with a combination of only sales organization. Only sales organization. Because here no material, because we have to consider total document value. So material will not come, and this offer is to everyone, generic. So no customer also here. So only sales organization. For this, our example to fulfill the requirement of our example, we have to create /03 T code v/03 T code v/03 T code v/03 enter.
Sir, already sales organization table create some custom.
We have that.
Already one sales organization table create already earlier.
I don't think so. Sales organization and customer we created. Sales organization and customer we created. Not only sales organization. I don't think so. Even though if you remember, so we are creating once again. Okay, sales organization. Generate. 505 is the table number. Next, create access sequence v/007. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Mention BGR something. You can give anything. Mention BGR1 group condition, total document value, group condition, total document value. Group condition, total document value. Enter, then select the access. Select the access sequence, double click on access. No need to write, we know this. Go to new entries, sequence 10, table 505, check exclusive. Then select the table and double click on fields. Save it. Save it. Next, third step. Create condition type. Create condition type. Create condition type. T code v/06. T code v/06. Copy K007. Discount. So I'm copying K007. Copy K007. Mention BGR1 group condition, total document value. Mention condition type as BGR1 group condition, total document. Mention your access sequence BGR1. Mention your access sequence BGR1. So here we have a 20,000 discount as per our example. So it's a fixed discount. So we have to change the calculation type to be fixed amount. Change the calculation type to be fixed amount. fixed amount. Check group condition. You have to select this because it's a group condition concept. Check group condition. Mention group condition routine as 1 because this scenario is total document value. Mention group condition routine as 1. One is total document value. Total document it will consider. Mention group condition routine as 1. Check rounding difference comparison. Check rounding difference comparison. Check rounding difference comparison. Enter and save it. Press enter and save. Next, place the condition type in pricing procedure. Place the condition type in pricing procedure. Place the condition type in pricing procedure. T code V/08. Select your pricing procedure. This is a new server. Don't get confused. Select your pricing procedure and double click on control. Select your pricing procedure and double click on control. Select your pricing procedure and double click on control. Go to new entries. In your case, you need to place in between a base value and gross value. Make a note. Place in Vaishnavi, check from your side. Others voice is in between base value and gross value. Because it's a discount. Place the condition type in between base value and gross value. So I'll say 20 as the base value. After that, I'll place this from 10. Check statistics. Okay. So in your case, you can place it. We need to place this condition type in between base value and gross value. Any discounts, we already discussed this. You should place in between base value and gross value. Okay. So I'll place it. You can place it in your system 65 something. 65, BGR1 from Eastern account key ERS. Save it. Save it. From Eastern requirement to account key ERS. Save it. Fine. So this will calculate on a base value 20, step number 20. That's it. Next, maintain condition records. Maintain condition records. Week 11, T code week 11, condition type BGR1, condition type BGR1, BGR1, mention your sales organization, B100, amount discount amount 20,000, discount amount 20,000, then go to scales. Here mention the 10 lakhs. So if it reaches to 10 lakhs, then only I want to offer 20,000 discount. So mention the scale value as 10 lakhs. Enter and save it. Enter and save it. Enter and save it. So I'll save this. So here you have to maintain the 10 lakhs as per our example. So whatever the value client wants to check, consider. So you have to maintain your scale value. Save it. Save it. Save it. Now we'll create one order. Now I'll create one order. VS01. So in this server, how many materials we have? Let us check that. Vaishnavi, so check from your side, others it is fine. Okay, so I'll enter material. Oh, we have only one material. So to see the result, we should have multiple materials. Let us create some materials. MM01, I copy from vaccine 1000. Okay, vaccine 2000. Material with release status. Vaccine 1500. $10,000. So 12,000. Vaccine 2,000. 15,000. Like that. We have three materials now. Now we'll create order and see the result. We'll create order and try to see the result of this. vaccine. Thousand. Ten thousand into 33 lakhs. You can see here BGR 10. So when you it is 40. It's in Metal Master. Division is N1 as other batch. In your case, you don't get this problem because your division, you'll maintain your division here due to multiple batches. Same material we have in other batch. So there is a difference in the 30 quantity, 3 lakhs. Now second material, 40 quantity, vaccine 1500, each item 12,000. So it is 4,80,000 plus 3 lakhs, 7,80,000. Still, this is 0. Now I'll enter one more line item. Vaccine 2,000. This is 15,000. So another 4,80,000, 7,80,000. Now see here. Now you will get this discount 20,000. See here, because now the total document value reaches to 10 lakhs. Reaches to 10 lakhs. 3 lakhs. One is, but this 20,000 will be distributed among all the line items in proportion to the value of the line item. We can see here, first line item. This is first line item, 5555.56, because the value is 3 lakhs. Second line item, 4,80,000 is the value. So 8888.88. If you add all these values, it comes to 20,000. So this is the result. Now we'll see for this.
Sir, can we set any timeline for this configuration? Means for 1 month, I want to give this kind of discount. So after 1 month, means I don't want to give means.
See, any
this
discount you'll have time period. Any discount you'll have time period. If you go to condition records, you will have valid from and valid to. Here, if you want this only for 1 month, then mention that 18 to 31/8/2020, like that. You will get this offer only for 1 month, like that. So here we maintain condition means in condition records we maintain valid from and valid to. Not only this discount, every discount you will have some time period. You have to maintain the time period here. I will configure for group of materials, but for this I'll maintain some materials here. Means especially these 3 materials, ABC, I'll maintain. I'll create these 3 materials in system. MM01, A material, copy from vaccine 1000. Okay. Now, like that, I'll create this C material. Last. Base BR00, in your case BR00. A material 10,000, B material 11,000, C material 12,000, something. we'll start the configuration. Make a note. Configuration for group condition heading. Configuration for group condition bracket group of materials value. Bracket group of materials value. Configure group condition bracket group of materials value. Okay, first step, create condition table. They have some group of materials. Client's requirement is they have some group of materials bracket A comma B comma C bracket A comma B comma C. Continuation bracket close. If this group of materials value, if this group of materials value, if this group of materials value if this group of materials value reaches to 10 lakhs, reaches to 10 lakhs, then they want to offer then they want to offer 20,000 discount. This 10 lakhs, 20,000, it is only example. As per client's requirement, the values will differ. And it may be percentage also. So here we are taking 20,000 fixed amount. It may be percentage also, it may be quantity, it depends. Make a note. First step, create condition table. Can anyone tell me what combination we create condition table for this requirement?
Sales organization materials.
Sales organization material group, sir.
Sales organization material is wrong.
Sales organization
Material group, sir.
Sales organization material group is also
Sales organization and material pricing groups, sir.
yes. So sales organization and material pricing group is correct. So here we have to take that field material pricing group. Material pricing group. Make a note. Create condition table with the combination of create condition table with the combination of sales organization and material pricing group. Sales organization and material pricing group. Sales organization and material pricing group. So I'll create that T code v/03. v/03, enter sales organization first field. Sales organization, then material pricing group, field in material master, sales org to view. 509 is the table. Next, create access sequence. Create access sequence. Create access sequence. T code v/07. Go to new entries. Just group of materials. Give some description. Then select the access sequence, double click on accesses. Select the access sequence, double click on accesses. Go to new entries. Go to new entries. Sequence 10, 5 on fields. Enter and save it. Enter and save it. Okay. Next, create condition type. Create condition type. T code v/06. Copy K007. Copy K007. Copy this. Mention BGR2. Mention BGR2. Give some description. Changes inside, like calculation type, fixed amount as per our scenario. And this is group condition. Check that like that. You can take any discount. You can copy from any discount. We have 4 discount conditions standard. Okay. So change the access sequence BGR2. Change the access sequence BGR2. Can you tell me the other changes as per our scenario example?
Sir, group discussion, group condition.
Group condition type
Before
की
that, okay, take that, change the calculation type to be, change the calculation type to be change the calculation type to be check group condition, check group condition, mention group condition routine as 3, check group condition, mention group condition routine 3, check rounding difference comparison, check rounding difference comparison, enter and save it. Enter and save it. See here, rounding difference, sorry, group condition routine is 3. Enter and save it. Next, place the condition type in pricing procedure. Place the condition in between base value and gross value. In between base value and gross value. T code V/08. T code V/08. T code V/08. Select your pricing procedure. Double click on control. Now, if you want both total document value and a group of materials value condition, then mention one more 66 BGR2 same from is 20. But I don't want this. I want to replace with the group BGR2. If you want both, you will get both conditions. So you place one more 66 BGR, mention that same. Now last step, maintain condition records. Maintain condition records. Maintain condition records. VK11 BGR2 VK11 BGR2 11 BGR2. Enter. Enter. Mention your sales organization. Mention your sales organization. And mention the material pricing group as 01 something. I'll mention 01. Mention the material pricing group as 01. Amount 20,000 discount. Amount 20,000 discount. If you want to give validity, you can give valid from valid to. Amount 20,000. Then select the record. Select the record. Go to scales. Mention 10 lakhs here. Mention 10 lakhs. Save it. Now we have one last step, an important one. Can anyone tell me what is that?
Go to material master and mention the material pricing groups.
Yes. So how to group these three materials? How to group these three materials? So go to these three materials and maintain material pricing group as 01. Maintain material pricing group as 01. Go to A material, go to B material, go to C. That is how we group these three into one. Make it out. Next step. Go to those group of materials. Next step. Go to those group of materials. Go to those group of materials. Go to those group of materials and maintain material pricing group as. Go to those group of materials and maintain material pricing group as. Here we maintain 01. There also you have to maintain same 01. If you maintain here different, there mention according to that. So we mention in condition record 01. So same you have to maintain there. Okay. Now I'll go to one by one material. A. Go to sales org 2. We have this field material pricing group. Mention 01. Same it appears here also. Select 01. See here. Same 01. Go to third material. Sales org 2. 01 like that. So we have only these three materials in a group. So maintenance. Now we see the result. Create one order. Now I'll create order for other materials also. For like 80 plus 3 lakhs Next, 23 lakhs. So go and check. You don't get this condition even though it reaches to 10 lakhs. You don't get the discount at all because total document is not there in our pricing procedure. I replace this. If you have that, then you will get BGR1. If you place both present situation, you will get BGR1, but not BGR2, because BGR2, those materials are not there here. Now I'll enter other materials. It is 11,000. So I'll mention same, the 35 into 11. So it is 3 lakhs 85 something. It is. So 3 lakhs 85, 6 lakhs 85. Next one more C 12,000. I'll mention another 30. 3 lakhs 60. 3 lakh 60, 3 lakh 80. Is more than 10 lakhs because 40, 4 lakh 80 plus 3 lakh 80, 8 lakh 20 plus 3 lakhs. Now go and check. Will you get the discount? Yes, 20,000. If it is not, suppose if I mention here 20, you don't get that. If it is 20 here, 20 means 2 lakh 40 plus 3 lakh 80. 2 lakh 40, 3 lakh 80, 6 lakh 20 plus 3 lakhs, because it is only 9 lakh 20. So if you make it 30, you will get this discount. 30 means 3 lakh 60. See, you will get this discount like that. So this is group condition for group of materials. So this is a configuration. So if you want both mention both in your pricing procedure, 65 BGR1, 66 BGR2, but you will get both conditions. There's chance of confusion. So that is the reason I removed BGR1 and I replaced with BGR2. But practice purpose, or else first practice like this, then mention both condition types and see once again like that. So this is about group. Tomorrow we'll
So I have to small
the
notes.
remaining controls. Yes, you can ask.
సరే సో ప్రైజింగ్ టైప్ డిమెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అక్కడ ట్యాక్సెస్ తో పాటు రిపేర్స్ కాస్ట్ కూడా రీడిటర్మైన్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Okay. So I think so the other people also mentioned this. So tax, even if it is GH, it will redetermine both the tax as well as cost. It is redetermine. Even I checked also. It will redetermine both tax and cost. Cost will redetermine in most of the scenarios. Yes.
సార్ ఆ కంట్రోల్ పెడుతుంటే అవ్వట్లేదు సార్. అది ఓన్లీ ట్యాక్స్ మాత్రం రీడిటర్మైన్ అవుతుంది, రైట్ అనేది రీడిటర్మైన్ అవుతుంది.
Pricing type
ప్రైజింగ్ టైప్ జీ ఇచ్చాను సార్.
ఇక్కడ ఫ్రైట్ లో కండిషన్ కేటగిరీ డి చేంజ్ చేసావా?
చేశాను సార్.
చేస్తే అవ్వాలి కదా, అవ్వలేదు. You're also not getting, eh?
Sir, for me,
I am
sir, it is not getting.
Okay, sorry.
ఓల్డ్ కాస్ట్ ఓల్డ్ ట్యాక్స్ చూపిస్తుంది, న్యూ ప్రైస్ న్యూ ట్యాక్స్ కూడా చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
Hold, sir. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue this with the other controls, but practice this, whatever we discuss, practice both the scenarios, see the result. Thank you.